Yo, what's good, YouTube? Your boy back. Yo, we into these Karen videos. I came across these. I've been so weak last night I was rolling, guys. Like, I cannot believe how these Karens act, I tell you. So we got Karen coughs on people and laughs in supermarket plus bonus. Yo, the bonuses are always more funny than like the actual content. So like, yo, let's get straight into it.
Excuse me. I'm coming through.
She thinks she's like so funny, like.
Excuse me.
Yo, the Karens be thinking they so funny when they be trying to be like, you feel me? Y'all not funny. Y'all not funny, like, word.
Coming through.
Like, you just doing the most, like Karens are like literally show that. I don't even want to say that.
He's laughing at me.
Nah, Karens just deadass act like little kids. That's what I wanted to say. Like,
You're so cute. You're such a Karen.
we should not leave. She would not leave us alone. She followed us in the store and coughed on us even when the employee told her to leave us alone.
Okay, whatever. You're such sheep.
This is my conspiracy about the Karens and the Kevins. So, the Karens are so miserable that the Kevins being around all that miserable shit, they end up being so mean and so angry, and that's why these Kevins are out here doing what they do, man. It has nothing to do with us. It has nothing to do with what's going on in the world. It's the Karens. Blame the Karens. Let's start a Karen petition. We don't fuck with Karens, man. We don't fuck with Karens no more. No.
I'm not sick and neither
We don't fuck with Karens. We only fuck with what's another? I don't know. My thing is, comment down below who started this Karen name. Like, Karen's in the wild.
Allergies.
You
I
don't
have
know who's
allergies.
sick or not by looking
Oh,
at
you,
somebody.
yeah. And so 2 years ago, before anybody started talking about COVID, you were okay with that, though, going out not knowing you were sick.
I'm weak.
You don't know anything
Right?
about
What's with white people and not wanting to follow like the rules? Like, why do y'all always have to go against the rule? I work with some of y'all, and it's the same thing. Y'all feel like y'all are like above the rules, above the law. It's kind of like weird, man.
I don't know anything about her health.
But
you don't know anything about my health.
I ain't here to talk about nobody.
Maybe I have a medical
Okay, everybody.
release. I don't need to wear a mask.
Okay, fine.
I have a
I don't need to wear a mask. Yo, she hang around the niggas, bro. She not normal. She from O Block. Yo, Karen from O Block. Karen from O Block. She pulled her shit up. She like, nah, run this back, run this back. Damn, that's sad when your own husband can't calm you down. That says a lot. I learned that says a lot. So, jeez. Come outside. Yo, what causes people to act like this, bro? Like, feel me? I ain't gonna front. I be wildin', like, when I'm angry, but I wild in the crib. You would never, let me say never, because you don't know how people act, but I have yet to be in public and act like that. Like, that's just embarrassing, and just, it's no need for that. These niggas, these people are working, like, so hard, don't even really want to be there, and then you coming in trying to make their life harder is just like, why, bro? You could have stayed home and cooked. I don't get it. It's like, you think you would be more understanding, like, damn, that person got it a little, feel me? But nah, everybody's a fucking asshole. Catch you next video.